Welcome back to the iJewel platform. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about the iJewel3D editor. You'll learn how to apply materials, use professional lighting and scene presets, control backgrounds and shadows, optimize quality, and share your work as interactive 3D experiences. First, let's show you how to access the editor. From your MyDrive page, you have two options. Right-click on any file and select Open in Editor, or double-click the file to open the viewer window, then click the Open In button at the top and select Editor. The editor is packed with professional features. On the right panel, you have specialized HDRI lighting for metal and diamonds, backgrounds, complete scene presets, stages, shadow controls, pose adjustments, and export settings. On the left, you can update your poster image, add names, descriptions, categories, and tags. Quality settings are important to set up first. Look for the gear icon on the vertical panel on the right side of the viewer. Here you can control both your on-screen render quality and export quality for optimal performance and results. Navigating your model is effortless. Drag with your mouse to rotate from any angle. Scroll to zoom in and out. On mobile or tablet, use intuitive touch controls, pinch to zoom, drag to rotate. Explore every detail of your design. To apply materials, simply select any object on your model. A library panel will open showing our extensive material collection, organized by categories: metals, diamonds, ceramics, pearls, and other materials like wood, leather, plastic, and more. Apply any metal, for example, white gold. Add diamonds in every color imaginable. Now here's a powerful feature, Material Configurator. This lets you create interactive material options for your clients. Select an object, then click the Add Configurator button. Choose the options from the panel that appears, for example, white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold. Once you've added all your material options, your clients can simply click to switch between different materials in real time, making it incredibly easy for them to visualize and choose their preferred option. This is perfect for presenting multiple variations for any material without creating separate files. Here's the secret to photorealism: specialized HDRI maps. Use HDRI for metal to perfect your gold and silver reflections. Use HDRI for diamonds to create that brilliant sparkle and fire. Scene presets are game changers. These are complete, professional setups with HDRI, backgrounds, and shadows already configured. Just click and your entire scene transforms instantly. Perfect for quick, professional results or as starting points for your custom looks. Choose the perfect background from our extensive library: solid colors, gradients, or specialty jewelry backgrounds. Speaking of grounds, control your shadows for different looks. Select soft shadows for elegance or contact shadows for realism. Stages add professional presentation flair. Choose from platforms, display stands, and podiums. We have beautiful ring boxes and elegant cone stands that look absolutely stunning with rings. Your jewelry instantly appears on a professional stage, perfect for hero shots and marketing materials. Here's a powerful feature push. Need your ring to lie flat instead of standing upright? Just click Compute, then select Stable Pose. That's it. Your jewelry instantly adjusts, letting you view it from new angles without re-uploading or making any complex tweaks. Advanced settings give you fine control. Rotate your environment lighting and adjust intensity. But the star feature here is the SSBevel plugin. Watch this, sharp edges instantly become smooth and polished. This creates realistic beveled edges without remodeling. Export settings give you full control. Choose PNG, JPEG, or WebP for images. Export in up to 4K resolution for crystal clear quality. You can also save your entire scene with all settings as a GLB file, or save only the scene settings to reuse them later. Just download the VJSON file and add it in the preset section. Want to showcase your design? Create rotating video previews for your website or social media. Simply adjust the export options and click Download MP4. Rendering will start right away. Once it's complete, your video will be automatically saved to your computer. Sharing your project is simple. Share your work as an interactive 3D online viewer. No registration required for recipients. In the top right corner, you'll see the Save button. Once your scene is ready, click Save. Right next to it is an arrow that opens a drop-down menu. Click it, and you can copy a link to your project. Anyone with a link can view and interact with your 3D model directly in their browser. If the link doesn't open for the recipient, make sure you've made your model public. Access share options by clicking the arrow drop-down and selecting Share Options directly from the editor, or go to MyDrive, right-click on your file, and select Share. This is how your recipient will see your model. They can open it on any device. Embed settings let you showcase your jewelry on any website with custom branding. We'll cover that in our next video. Stay tuned for those tutorials.